Hello everyone. In this very short video about filters in Painter, I'll show you how I removed the sharpening effect along the UV seams of the 3D model you're seeing. The video was made using an older version of Substance Painter, but the tools and techniques shown here are also valid in Adobe 3D Painter. This issue occurs when a 3D model has UV islands with visible cuts across the object, and you apply a sharpening filter that ends up introducing artifacts along those cuts, exactly where you don't want them to appear. To fix this problem, the first thing we need to do is avoid using a completely white layer mask for the sharpening effect. Instead, we should start with a black mask. Then, using the UV island selection mode, we need to select the various UV islands located along the seams. This step is necessary because we want to soften the edges of the UV island masks on the model in order to prevent the sharpening effect from being applied in those areas. After selecting the UV islands, we need to add a filter to the effects mask. Be careful here. The filter must be added to the mask, not to the effect itself. Specifically, we need to add a bevel filter. This filter will soften the white areas of the mask over a black background, limiting or removing the sharpening effect along the edges. Since it only affects the borders, it won't interfere with areas of the model where the mask is completely white and uniform. Alright, that's it for this very short tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. See you next time.